This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the project. Install Python 3. X and verify Python version so the interpreter is available. Once done, open Vscode in the folder you want to convert and make sure the Python extension is installed. Next, disable or uninstall Java-specific extensions to avoid conflicts and remove Java build files you no longer need. This gets the editor ready. The why is simple. Cleaner environment prevents tooling collisions and ensures the Python extension controls formatting and run tasks. Now convert code and configure Vscode. Create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it so dependencies stay isolated. Open the command palette and select the interpreter inside. Venv, this ensures linting and run commands use the right Python. Add or update launch. JSON and workspace settings. JSON to set the Python debugger, linting, and formatters. Replace Java build tasks with Python scripts or tasks. JSON entries for test, run, and package steps to keep workflows consistent. Finish by installing dependencies with pip install r requirements. TXT inside the activated. Venv and run the app from Vscode using the run view or debugger. Make sure the selected interpreter in the status bar points to your Venv, otherwise tooling will run wrong Python. Once working, clean up old Java artifacts. If something breaks, a key troubleshooting tip: check path and interpreter selection first, then disable extensions one by one to find conflicts and verify launch. JSON points to the correct program and environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.